Northeast Ohio tomorrow morning going to be very cold. Kids going out the door to the bus stop, headed out the door to school. We'll be encountering some frigid temperatures, so make sure everybody's bundled up appropriately. You know the drill by now. We will still have a few flurries going on east of town. Otherwise, I think we're going to get to see more sunshine tomorrow, but we will be colder. Temperatures staying in the teens all day tomorrow. We are right now at 18 on the east side of the Cuyahoga County Airport, but look at Worcester, 6. It's 8 right now, even in tropical Dover. Yes, it is cold out there. This is a wind kind of an event for us. When the wind calms down, temperatures will crash. As soon as the wind picks up, the temperatures come back up. It is crazy once you put snow on the ground, what will happen with the thermal profile of the atmosphere. But we're not even in the worst of it. Duluth is no longer even in the color table here. I've got to adjust this color table. Look at this, it just disappears. That's where temperatures are some 15 to 20 below zero. Ouch. With those wind chills at 26 below zero right now in the Duluth area, 4 above Traverse City, 5 for Detroit, 9 at Cleveland Hopkins Airport right now. Wind chills won't be too terribly offset from the air temperatures tomorrow morning because we will have light winds. So there is a little bit of good news for you. But if the winds do indeed start to pick up, which will probably happen tomorrow, we will have that wind chill effect kicking in. The northwest breezes, remember, not just at the surface, but also aloft, have been carrying the lake effect snows off of Superior, Michigan, and Huron. We'll start to see that connect up, and you can see we do have some lake effect snow that is beginning to fire up just offshore of Cleveland. Most of this will be aiming out to the east side. I wouldn't be surprised if eastern Cuyahoga County, northern Geauga County picks up maybe an inch or two of fluff tonight as this comes in, but we are expecting the better chances for accumulating snows 3 to 5 inches, maybe a little bit more, along that I-90 corridor, Lake and Ashtabula counties. So we do have a winter weather advisory there until tomorrow morning. The west winds are definitely going to be carrying that snow across Lake Erie, dropping it in the primary snowbelt areas. Meanwhile, farther west and south, away from that lake effect, we're probably going to get some breaks in the overcast. You drop those winds off, your air temperatures crash as mentioned, and we will have, I think, many areas inland that will be sub-zero to begin the day tomorrow. Once that sun comes up, it's not going to do a lot of great things for us because we have snow on the ground. Snow is white. It is reflective. That is called a high albedo surface. All the physics nerds are getting very excited right now. The albedo, basically, it's the reflection of that energy coming in from the sun, and we really don't have a lot of appreciable warming that takes place. Now, once we get into the afternoon, we only make it into the teens. So you can imagine what happens even with all this sunshine. It's going to be cold. Put your shades on. Pretend it's warmer than what it is. Once the sun goes away, though, now we really get cold because we didn't even warm up. So the temperatures tomorrow night are really going to get down in the basement, below zero for most of northern Ohio, with temperatures closer to the lakeshore and in the city, probably in the single digits to near 10. How much snow? Don't get excited. It's going to be fluffy, nothing really to worry about. And as far as the big picture goes, we are in this cold air right now. Watch what happens as we head toward Thursday and then Friday. You see this next dip coming in. So we've got another cold air spell coming in on Friday. This is a pattern that's going to set up an East Coast storm. As it goes up the East Coast, they're expecting to get walloped in New England. Track is everything, so it's going to depend on that track to see who gets what. But our Union Home Mortgage forecast, that entire storm system is out of here, with the only real effect here is that we get dragged into the cold air again. So teens on Saturday, temperatures climbing then into next week into the 40s. That's not all good news because then begins the melt. Yuck.